this video, I am going to update about Jake Paul versus Ben Askren and their fight and what they are get from this fight and what are their words. So watch the video till end and never skip any part of the video. Jake Paul versus Ben Askren match is going to be aired, and how much will they earn from the fight? I am going to tell you in this video. Jake Paul and Ben Askren fight has been one of the most awaited for the fans, and fans are anxiously waiting for their fight as their fight is going to be very soon. And here's I am going to tell you what will earn through the fight as explore their salaries and what are their income from this fight. On April 17, Jake Paul and Ben decided to fight each other, and people have been debating who would be crowned as the winner. As Jake Paul also have many fan following on social media because he was also a YouTuber, and similarly Ben Askren also have lot of fan following. Both are big celebrity also. While Ben is an immature wrestler, Jack has had some experience as he has previously fought and won against Robinson and YouTuber and Ethan Gibb. And on many social media sites and TV shows, hype has been created for their fight. And now, question is, how much will Jack Paul earn through the fight? Jack will earn $690,000 through the fight. The YouTuber has been working hard ever since he announced his fight. On March 16, in a press conference, Jack revealed he had suffered brain damage due to the sport. And before this, as he has won the match, the YouTuber revealed that he had shown early sign of chronic traumatic encephalopathy. He said, "It is dangerous sport. That's why when people question my dedication to it, it's like I am showing up very single day. I am putting my mental health on the line. My brain is on the line. As you said, I have gone and gotten brain scan and have early sign of CTE." And despite this, Jack confessed he would carry on with the match. He said, "I love this sport and wouldn't trade it for anything else. And I am a fighter, and people will see that whether it's after Saturday night or whether it's a year from now, they will see that I am a fighter." And hype has been created for their match. And now the question is, how much will Ben Askren earn through the match? Ben is said to earn $5 lakh through the match, and it has been clearly seen that Jake Paul has getting more than Ben Askren because Jake Paul has experienced and he has more privileges over Ben Askren. The retired professional mixed martial artist has been vocal about his thought on the match and admitted that he is not too worried. Speaking to a famous media source, Ben said, "Jack thinks he has high-level boxer. I think he fairly delusional." Ben decided to retire after he suffered hip surgery. However, he took on the fight with Jack as he thought it was interesting. Speaking about the fight, he said, "I did say when I retired I will never be a full-time fighter. But if something interesting comes up, I had been willing to accept it. This fall into that category. I think I am not going to be a full-time boxer, but I got an interesting opportunity and I am going to take advantage of it." He also said that, "If I want to beat up an immature boxer, it isn't gonna take me more than 3 months of training to do so." So both are very confident about their fight and they are speculating that they have gone to win. So in nutshell, I am going to tell you that Jake Paul is getting $690,000 and Ben Askren is getting $5 lakh through this fight. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel.